Konnichiwa. Anjali desu. Minasan mo genki na koto o negatte imasu. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. "50 Sounds of Katakana." Go on. A grid of 5 cross 10 contains 50 characters, but the grid is not completely filled. And with 5 gaps and 1 extra character, the current number of distinct kana in modern Japanese is therefore 46. Katakana are characterized by short, straight strokes and sharp corners, and is usually used for country names, foreign places and foreign personal names. Ja, hajimemashou. America. Indo. Uru means wool. Aircon means AC. Okay means alright. Camera means camera. Key means a key. Kuriketto means cricket. Keiki means cake. Kohi means coffee. Sandoichi means sandwich. Shidi means a CD. Sports means sports. Serena Gomez. Sausage means sausage. Takushi means a taxi. Chiketto means a ticket. Suita means Twitter. Terebi means TV. Toire means toilet. Naifu means knife. Niusu means news. Nudoru means noodles. Necktie means necktie. Hawaii, a beautiful place. Hindu is a religion. Folk means a folk. Hora means horror. Masara means spices. Meeting means a meeting. Mumbai means Mumbai. Mexico means Mexico. Modi, Shusho, Prime Minister. Yashika, name of a friend. Euro means euro. Yoga. Radio means radio. Recycle means to recycle. Rui means Louis, a name. Reshito means receipt. Russia means Russia. In. The use of wo is quite rare in modern Japanese. The sound can be used with another characters to make a word like my name, Anjali. So, we have learned how to write each character of katakana, and if you want to learn how you can write your name in katakana, for that you have to stay tuned for the upcoming video. Also guys, provide me some names in the comments down below so that I can translate those names in my upcoming video. And if you liked the video, please hit a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to get notified.